In this video, I'll detail how to set reminders on iPhone. So you can set a daily reminder, you can set repeated reminder, and you can set one-time reminder on your iPhone. So if you like this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to set reminders on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the reminders application on your iPhone. If you can't find it, just use the spotlight search and search for reminder. Then once you can find it on the list, just click on it. Then here, you should see your reminder. On the reminder page, you have scheduled reminder, all today, flagged, completed, and even the reminder list. Then come here and click on new reminder. Once you tap that, give your reminder a name. So here, let me just say reminder. Then tap detail, turn on date. Then select the date you want this to remind you. Maybe 18th of August or 31 of August. You can even click on this, select the month. Once you click on this, select the month. So let's say you want this reminder to remind you December 2024. Select that and then come to day on the December 2024. Then let's say 24. Once you selected that, just come down here and set the time. When do you want this to remind you? On 24. So let's say 8 a.m. Then reminder, you want to set early reminder like 5 minutes before the actual time, 30 minutes, 1 hour. If you want to set like, let's say 15 minutes, just select 15 minutes before the actual time or none. Now, if you want to set a one-time reminder, just come to repeat and select never. If you want this reminder to remind you early for that day, select early. Then if you want it to repeat weekly, select weekly. But to send a reminder for a particular day, just select never. And that is it. So this reminder is going to remind you that you have something for 24th of December 2024 at exactly 8 o'clock. Then once you're done setting this, you can click on the add button or hit the bar button to give your reminder a note, the information about the reminder. So maybe remind me about the new year resolution. So then you must have gotten your resolution somewhere. Then on this day, your iPhone will remind you about your resolution for the new year. Then go ahead and click on add. Once you add it, you should see the reminder added to all and scheduled. Then you see that remind about the year resolution. If you come to schedule, you're going to see it under scheduled. You see that? So that's how you can set or create a reminder on your iPhone. You can repeat this to create multiple reminders on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.